Linux Lite is a beginner-friendly Linux distribution based on Ubuntu's long-term support, LTS, release and featuring the Xfce desktop. Linux Lite primarily targets Windows users. It aims to provide a complete set of applications to assist users with their everyday computing needs, including a full Office suite, media players and other essential daily software. Linux Lite 4.0 Beta, codenamed Diamond, is now available for testing. Linux Lite 4.0 Final will be released on June 1, 2018. This beta marks the beginning of Series 4.x codenamed Diamond. The main changes in Linux Lite Series 4.x include a new icon and system theme, time shift for system backups, Shotwell to manage and perform basic edits on images, Menu Lubber to manage menu entries, new Lite applications including Lite Desktop that manages common icons on the desktop, Lite Sounds to manage system-wide sounds, and many of our existing applications have been updated. Minimum recommended specs have been raised slightly to more realistic levels, RAM, CPU. There are no more 32-bit ISO releases. If you still require a 32-bit OS due to hardware limitations, Series 3.x is supported through to April 2021. Xfce Pulsio plugin has been added to the system tray for highly customizable options regarding volume management. Wallpaper. This is not the default wallpaper for Linux Lite 4.0 Final. Traditionally, our first beta release in a series features our codename image. In this series case, codenamed Diamond, full disk encryption now replaces home encryption in the installer, an Ubuntu implementation. The new boot splash also shows you the password field in GUI for encrypted partitions. Ubuntu no longer offers an opportunity to set a swap partition. A swap file is now automatically created for you, which is a maximum of 2 GB or 5% of free disk space, an Ubuntu implementation. Compositing is now enabled out of the box. New theme, adapter, and icon, Papyrus, sets. Fenza icons were dropped as it had not been maintained in some time, and the same for the Arc theme. Development seems to have stalled there. Most of our approach to theming in Series 4.x follows the popular flat design focus. We also now use the OpenZone mouse theme. For the first time in Linux Lite we now have working system sounds. Head to Menu, Settings, Lite Sounds and configure sounds the way you want. By default, the startup and logout sounds are enabled by default, the rest of the system sounds are disabled by default. To enable system-wide sounds, simply click on the Enable System Sounds button at the top. There is still some work to do here, but this is a great start.